Hello everybody, Z Gamer here and bring you back another video which is I don't want to play it. It's about okay, let's get another thing which is a funny thing. Um actually this video which you're seeing right now I have uploaded in Dubai, but I have taken this video to Dubai in case if I got internet connection over there. So I've just that's why you guys should know, like because I think we are going to a good hotel and live over there for 2 days. On 2 days. So what I'm saying that now, this video which you're seeing I've uploaded in Dubai, but this was week 4. Now I'm going right now after like 2 more hours, so I got time to start a video, and yeah, for you guys I did it. So okay, now we will play the game. Nobody's over here, so we will stay together with you our old fist. So this game is a sad game and it is known as I Remember the Rain. And well, one time I told my feelings, one of my friends, like when I lost someone, my feelings about my feelings in this about these things I have given my feelings to him, and he tell me to play I Remember the Rain, and I haven't go through it, but he said you will get motivational and you will get the feeling about how the pain looks like. So I just want to experience what it looks like, and if you guys don't want to watch it, just don't watch it, okay? Because I'm gonna play this game and do something. Okay. That night, I don't want to play this game. It's so nasty. Ugh. I'll keep quiet. Oh. Did somebody died? I don't know.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain. Thousands of tiny razors against my skin.
Keep back. The ambulance will be here shortly.
I almost bled to death, but I couldn't. I had to find you. And when I did, I almost wish that I hadn't. I sat there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said and how I could have changed it.
You just have to wait like the rest of them.
Can I talk? You guys have no feelings to me.
I've been waiting here for days.
The doctor said he was only sleeping.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing more we could have done.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. So long and good night. Why? Why? I don't want to play this game. Oh.
May your memories give you strength.
We live in the hearts of those we leave behind.
Do we really go to a better place?
I don't know. It's like that.
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day? So many words I wanted to say. I spoke to them, but I said them to you.
It's not working. Should I off the lights? I don't know. What should I do? I don't want to play. What? Memory is okay. I got it.
I can't fucking do it.
You don't have to die to be dead. Oh my god.
I've learned to live without you, but still, sometimes I wish that I was the one that died. I wish that it was me in that car, and you in that radio.
That it was you standing here now. But it isn't like that, is it? I'd give it all for you if I could.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Why?
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. It's funny to say that. What can I say? This game gives. Oh my god. It's like, what can I say? It's like everybody has to die in the world, even though you don't want to die. Somehow you're gonna die one day, and we don't know what will happen. Nobody knows what will happen in the near future, and this game is about a car accident. I don't know much about it. I never go to the summary anything about this game. Really, this game is interesting. I will try to make more content about this, but I don't think there will be more games. If I get to know, I will tell you guys. Okay, and really, oh my god. I'm about to cry. I feel like crying right now, but still I'm not, as I'm your favorite YouTuber and I will never cry. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and really this was the truth what could happen in the life. Nobody knows. Okay, that's enough guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you're brave, then play this game. No, I think you watch it. So okay, it's like similar. You watch my video, right? So if you're brave, play it. Don't play this game. I hope you didn't cry, and I hope you guys have enjoyed more of my video. And if you want to see more, do you want to see scary games? Just write in the comment section below, and just put a like and subscribe to my channel below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Or peace out, or anything. I want to make you laugh because I don't want to make you sad. So peace.